Ah! What is up, guys? Today we are going to go for a little bit of a redemption story here. I'm at this awesome little creek I found that feeds into a river. And I fished this creek yesterday with an ultralight rod and just got a couple bites, but wasn't able to capitalize. Didn't really have the backbone to set the hook. No. Oh. So I came today and I got my medium rod here, and I'm going to fish a little bit bigger of a crawfish here, and we're going to see if we can find some bass in this little creek here where it meets the river. So I came in at a different angle than I did the other day, and I'm going to be able to weight it a little bit farther down. So super excited to see what we can catch. We got the TRD crawl on, and we're going to get after it and do some fishing. All right, we got a nice little spot right here where the creek kind of converges. So we're going to try to fish these rapids, let this crawfish float down it. Switching it up, no bites so far on the crawfish, and the next stretch of river I'm not gonna be able to float it the way I wanted to, so I switched it up to the top water crick hopper popper, see if we can get some top water bites. I've seen a couple things hit top water, so we're gonna get out there and see how this does. All right, guys, we're making another adjustment here. We're going to a little crankbait. Let's see if we can find some fish. Got a little bit of fish activity down towards the end of this little deep hole where the next little run starts. So I'm gonna work my way down there without spooking them. Ah, had a bite. We're gonna go back, see if we can get him again. All right, well, not a bass, but first species of the day. Nice little bluegill on the crankbait. Got some more fish activity jumping around up there, so we're gonna get back after it and see if we can find some more of these guys. Oh, there he goes. All right, that guy came out of this little area over here. So I'm gonna keep working this area because I got a fish out of there. And then there's also been some fish activity over there. So we're gonna work down this way and then fish across. Had a bite over there. I think it was a brim, but right up against the bank. Nice. All right, second fish, second species of the day. I waded down here to where the creek meets the river, and I got a nice little rock bass. It's actually a pretty good size one. Beautiful little guy right there. All right, get a release on him. There he goes. All right, two fish on the board, both on the crankbait. We're gonna get back out there, two different species, and see what else we can find. Ah, dang it, he spit the hook. Ah, dang. All right, it was that same little spot over there, so I'm gonna go back to it. No, golly, dang it. Ah, dang. Ah, two misses in a row. Oh, man. Jeez, just missing hooks today, left and right. Got another little rock bass. A couple misses over there. But I think they're rock bass sitting up against that ledge, and so I'm working it. This guy just barely got the hook. Beautiful little guy, just about the same size as the last one. All right, get him back in there. There he goes. Dang, had a fish blow it up as soon as it hit. Now it's not spinning right. Wow. I'm not even sure how this guy got the bait, but he came out of the water for it, so. All right, tiny little ambitious guy, beautiful colors. We're gonna get a release on him and try to find his grandparents. Oh, another rock bass. This one's a little bit bigger, I think. Barely hooked him. Awesome fish. These guys are everywhere in this little creek. Let's get him back in. And there he goes. Another little rock bass here. Smallest guy of the day, but another awesome catch. These little guys fight great. Hey, and just like that, we got the first smallie of the day. That's awesome. Tiny little guy, but man, fishing these creeks, that's so much fun. Bunch of rock bass, brim, smallie, man, awesome day. Tiny little guy, but beautiful, awesome fish. They fight so hard. Man, what a great day of creek fishing. And there he goes. Ah, he flipped off. Another little smallie. Awesome, but he flipped off. Should have kept him in the water longer. That was awesome. I saw this little guy come up and take it as soon as it hit the water, and I just reeled it once and he went right after it. That was really cool. All right, get him back in the water. There he goes. All right, guys, I'm heading back in. Awesome day of creek fishing. I missed a few, but I definitely redeemed myself from the skunk I was wearing yesterday. So awesome day. This is the little Rebel crankbait I caught all the fish today on. Couple rock bass, nice small little smallie, and a brim, but awesome day overall. For just a couple hours of fishing in the morning. I'm probably gonna fish as I head in, so if I catch any fish, I'll throw those on the end of the video. Definitely hit the like button and the subscribe button. It'll really help out the channel. And if there's any types of fishing you'd like to see me do in the future, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Oop. And that guy was off. Another little brim on the way out.